That song go crazy. And if you don't like Tyler the Creator, I don't apologize. Sorry, not sorry. Like, that's how we're coming. Because at the end of the day, it's like, what are you sorry for? If it was true to who you are, what do you need to be sorry about? I don't know what it is about me in bathrooms. I think I'm like trying to manifest Vogue. Hello, welcome back to another video on Sydney's channel. What it doing? What it does? This is just to get ready with me while I fill you guys in. What I've been doing with my spare time now that I'm single, how we're moving forward, how we're reconnecting with family, friends, and loved ones. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. All right, y'all, let's just get started because, oh my God. I just rinsed my hair out. I had a protein mask in it because y'all know my hair was straight. So I miss my curls. I feel like straight hair is just blah. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's not voluminous, it's not giving. But this is great. Like no product. We're looking good. I'm not gonna brush my hair because I've seen this thing on TikTok that I'm gonna try. It's like not combing out your hair. I'm gonna go in actually first with the Bumble and Bumble defining cream. So I've just basically closed out a whole ass book of my entire life. Like legitimately closed a book. You know how sometimes there's a little bit of remnants of your old life, like, you know, the type of activities that you do and the places that you go, the people that you have in your life or whatever. I ain't got none of that. Closing this book of my life meant like my last apartment. I just gave it in on Friday, which I'm very happy about. It did what it needed to at the time, and now we're on to bigger and better things. You know what I'm saying? I'm single now, so close that part of my life. And now these days I'm just trying to fill my time doing things that I like to do, things that make me feel fulfilled and whatnot. Like doing my hair and hanging out with my friends, working, writing. I actually got some really big news, and I am so happy. I can't wait till we actually get that. Oh, this is open. Is it open? I can't wait until we get that started because just y'all wait and see. Y'all wait and see. My blessings have just been at the door, and I just like the door was locked. I was actually in a little bit of a rut today of like what to film and what to say. I realized that first of all, my last video numbers went crazy. Okay, whatever, like okay, whatever, 200 views, whatever. But the love and support, y'all really outdid yourselves for me. Like for real. I had a lot of friends and people that obviously I've known because like I didn't get random people, but like just people that I grew up with, people that I know, just like reaching out to me like so happy for you, and they're going through the same things, and it was just like so much love. I'm happy that I was able to talk about it, leave it posted, you know what I'm saying? Like I wasn't regretting it or anything. But I just think ultimately it was the best decision for me and like what I had to do. I think what I'm trying to say is just I'm happy that, ooh, that went right in my mouth. I'm happy that I didn't allow like what other people might think or say about what I was gonna post like really affect me and what my voice had to say, you know what I'm saying? Like I didn't allow judgment, because even if I did think about it, oh, like they might say this or whatever, like who the fuck cares? So whatever, I'm happy to be able to move on. I'm happy that I'm getting ready to go out, drink with my friends. Like, not that, oh, I should use this one, right? It's a cute microfiber brush. Not that I was like missing physical interaction and shit like that, because honestly, it's not really all about that. It's just about moving forward and getting yourself like out of, you know, stagnant places. Like I'm reconnecting with my siblings again. I'm reconnecting with people who honestly I really didn't, I don't know, like the people that I have like spoken to me and stuff are not people that I would have imagined, you know what I'm saying? Like obviously, okay, sure, like my core friends, that's fine, but I mean like other people I don't know, it was just so surprising, and I feel like that was the whole purpose of the video. I feel like that was what I needed to get me going, and so now I have like a whole network of people that I'm talking to. Yo, is this camera crooked or not? Is it straight? Are we straight? I hope we're straight. Anyways, I feel like that was the whole purpose of the video, and obviously to have an orange face. I don't care. You're not gonna be able to see it after I put concealer. It's like, it is what it is, you know what I mean? But yeah, now I have a whole network of people who I feel like I can relate to, people who I can trust, people who, you know, I can also help, and, you know, people who just want to chit chat, you know what I'm saying? Like, just have a little bit of fun. It's about time. We've been in a bit of stagnancy for a while, and these blessings have just been coming down like, we got you, sis. Like, we've been here this whole time. I'm like, you love me, universe. Literally, that's how I feel. Like, with everything just going so right and not really left the entire time. Oh my god, how freaking exciting. But honestly, I could not have done all of this if it wasn't without you guys. Like, I feel like I'm thankful that I know who or how my video impacted some people. Like, sometimes, you know, obviously we do this for ourselves. Like, people who do YouTube is really for themselves, you know, really to like just move forward and have something to do, you know what I mean? Because like, I don't know, this is not, it's nice to know who's watching my video. Even though you guys didn't comment like on the actual video, you guys like spoke to me personally. I really appreciate that, because it just lets me know like I'm doing something right, you know, like I'm on the right path. That's like if God came down and told you like, oh, good job at whatever you did that day. It just validates you. Not necessarily that I need validation, but sometimes it's nice to hear that what you're doing is appreciated and is needed and valuable, you know, whether or not you know that. I'm gonna speed through my freaking eyebrows, mom, and everybody who commented on the fact that I did my eyebrows for like 30 minutes. Anyways, now I'm just like school, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to put a lot of focus on it, because it's not that it's overwhelming. But look, for example, I have a class that I have to do like this homework like online or whatever. I haven't bought the book, and like I told the teacher or the professor that I would like 2 weeks ago. I'm getting to that now, but it's not because I'm lazy. It's just that book is dumb expensive for no fucking reason, and it's like, who's buying that? Not me, baby. I can't believe I just highlighted my eyebrow without doing it first, but I guess it helped. Yeah, and then I have like another class that he assigns like homework every week. Today is Sunday, so basically I have to do it today. It's due today at 12 o'clock, which I'll do it now when I get out of this, because it was really never that serious. And that's pretty much it. Like, all my other homework is caught up. I'm fine with those. It's just those 2 classes that I've just been like putting it off. My eyebrows don't even look alike. Whatever. I'm not trying to take that long because of everybody. Oh, your eyebrows for so long. Hey, shut up. Try to do your eyebrows and have no shape. You're just there fucking filling in pieces, trying to make some, trying to erase them at the same time. It's just don't make sense. Moving was freaking crazy. I needed literally like, well, first me and my mom did half of it, and then the second half my brother had to help me and his friend had to help me. Oh my god, because your girl got a king size bed. That shit is so flimsy. Not fun. And then trying to get up here to like my mom's house. No bueno. But I did it. Whatever. Closed that chapter. Moving was pretty fun actually. It's just now the whole like organizing. But I already did that. But I feel like every corner that I look at here in my mom's house, I'm like organizing. Not that my mom's disorganized or anything, but I just like to see things a certain way. And she doesn't really mind it because it's like, cool. Free organization. I just want to look sun-kissed. We're going on vacation soon. You know how that goes. Why am I singing everything? I don't know. There's nothing like a fresh eyebrow look. Oh my god. I'm just looking at myself like, damn, girl. Where you been at? I'm slowly getting back into a routine, and not a routine of what I've ever had before. Because now it's like, I got things that I want to do, things, you know? Not saying that I didn't before, but now it's just like a newer version of the things that I wanted, a little bit more elevated too. Things are taking less energy right now for me to do. Like, it's not really like that big of a deal, whatever I have to do. And it just gets done nice and easy, quickly. This is about to be my new filming spot, by the way. This is the bathroom. I don't know what it is about me and bathrooms. I think I'm like trying to manifest Vogue. But also, I wrote like some goals this morning. Today's April 2nd, so I wrote some goals that I have for the whole month of April. And most of them, well, not most of them, but something that I'm trying to work towards is having a bigger platform here on YouTube. I want to have more subscribers, more views, get paid more. You know what I'm saying? Because I really enjoy doing this. No, I've been having like this feeling of like my life feeling so complete right now. Like no stress, nothing is missing. I don't need anything. Just like fulfilled, which is weird. This is like the type of feeling that people talk about when they're like retired and shit. And they got like grandkids and everything. For me, I'm just like, I don't know. I like really enjoy being with my siblings, like a lot. My brother more than my sister sometimes, because I can deal with him longer than my sister, because sometimes, I don't know, it's a weird dynamic. I'm still getting to understand her and like meet the new person that she is, because she is drastically different than the person that I knew before. You know what I'm saying? Like living with people is just different. I mean, I would see my siblings all the time, but not like this. Like being so close into proximity to them, it's like now they like have, why do I keep saying like? They have so many things that they want to express to me and get my advice on. And it's so nice because at first I really thought that they were just gonna be like, oh my god, I'm impeding on their space and they don't want me here and stuff like that. I don't know why I felt like that. But now they're just like, hey, can you tell me about this and how do you do this? And I'm just like, oh, you want my advice? That means you think I'm some kind of smart person. Cool. I'm gonna go diffuse my hair and I'll be back to let you guys on a little secret that's coming very soon. The most that I wanted to dry, but curl pattern is fluffy. It's looking good as hell. Anyways, new things coming. Podcast. There's a podcast coming real soon. I'll let you guys know where you guys can subscribe. I love you all so much. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. I really love you. I really do. From the bottom of my heart. I'll see you and you in the back soon. Y'all, listen to this. Oh, I didn't mean to match the wall. Yo, that beat go crazy. I am obsessed with that song right now. I don't know what it is. I just love like the juxtaposition. Like it's giving two-toned. It's giving multifaceted. It's giving Gemini. It's giving. Listen to the lyrics of that song because it's just amazing. I'm just a little bit like sad because if I'm honest with you guys, I'm a really big Rosalia fan. If you've been on the channel, you know I haven't really listened to this album. Is this shit gonna get hot? Like, I think it's because of the breakup. Because this song is like very I love, and I'm like